Hi, my name is Aditya, and in this video we're going to talk about the Dell G3 gaming laptop. This gaming laptop comes powered by 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with 8GB of RAM that promise fast gaming performance. In addition to this, it also gets built-in NVIDIA GeForce graphics card, and you have a lot of gaming-centric features including cooling vents that make sure that you can enjoy gaming for long hours without any discomfort. So let's get started with the top features of this laptop. Being a gaming laptop means that the G3 gets a 15.6-inch display which supports Full HD resolution, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. The display gets an anti-glare screen which makes sure that even while you're watching the screen right in front of heavy light, the light will not reflect back to your eyes, becoming very discomforting for your eyes. So that won't be a problem. So that's a good thing to have, especially for gaming laptops, and screens with these are very desirable for gamers. Now in terms of other functionalities, you also have this Touch ID sensor that's built into the laptop right at the top, right next to the screen. And what you do that is when you sign in with that basic sensor, what happens is that you don't really need a password to log into the device all the time. You just have to tap in your finger or whichever ID that you use, and the laptop will basically unlock and it can be used whenever you want. Now in terms of other features, we talked about that it has a 15.6-inch full HD laptop, but the good thing is that because it's a gaming laptop, it gets 120Hz refresh rate, which is quite unreal in terms of the experience, and the latency will be so fluid that you'll probably feel the experience of gaming when you are doing gaming on this laptop. Then you have thermocooling feature as well. Now being a gaming laptop means that you're going to be using it for long hours, and that means heavy strain on the hardware that's built into this device. So with thermocooling, what you get is assured performance, and no heating means that you can do all long gaming without any kind of discomfort. Now in addition to this, it's got built-in NVIDIA GeForce graphics card. That is something which is really important, because if you need high-end gaming quality and high-end graphics support, then you need GeForce graphics card, and it's good to see Dell offering that with the G3 gaming laptop. And finally, you have this laptop powered by the 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor with 8GB of RAM, and you get different storage options which you can consider depending on what your budgets are, and you get as much as 1 TB of hard disk drive, and then 256GB of SSD is also there. So just in case if you're looking for additional performance, that's where something that you should consider in terms of the price bracket as well. Now for battery, gaming laptops are not known for their battery life, so we can't really say how much long hours it's going to last you for, but what is for certain is that for weighing just 2.3 kg means that this is one of the lighter laptops in the market, and you need to keep this connected to a power source all the time, because if you want to enjoy fluid gaming experience, it's better that you keep it powered onto a power source all the time. Now in terms of connectivity ports, you have a slew of connectivity ports on this laptop. You have this power connector over here which works for the power source thing. You have the HDMI port over here on the left hand side. Then you also have a USB port as well as a LAN port. Now LAN ports are something which is ideal for gamers, because Wi-Fi speeds might not be the ideal source of internet speeds for them, and LAN port means that you get fastest internet performance for fluid gaming experience, especially when you're doing online gaming. Now on the right hand side also you have a slew of ports. You have two USB ports, you have the Kingston lock, as well as you have an SD card slot. So if let's say if you want to basically take out images from your camera or any kind of other action camera based devices, you just plug in your SD card over here and you can access that footage through the laptop itself. So this is not just a gaming laptop, it is a fully functional multi-purpose laptop which can be used for all kind of purposes, including your work things as well. So you can clearly see that the G3 gaming laptop is more than just that. It can do a lot of other things. It's multifunctional, it's multi-purpose, and it's got this finger ID sensor that lets you lock the device so that nobody can unlock it unless you have the access. Then you've got NVIDIA GeForce graphics card which enhances the gaming performance with extra video graphic quality, and then you have Intel Core i7 processor with 8GB of RAM that assures decent performance as well. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with us for more.